Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the Zaful application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right, and then click on the language button and just click on the language that you want to set, and then click on the save button, and the language is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.